Want to know how to make Christmas paper bows with Cricut?
Yes!
Keep watching because in this video, I show you how to make 9 different bows with a free SVG template. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's open up Cricut Design Space. In the description box below, I have linked to the free SVG. When you click the link, you're going to scroll all the way towards the bottom, and you'll see it right here to say download the SVG file. Just put your name and email, and it will download into your downloads folder. If you're unfamiliar with downloading and uploading files into Cricut, you can click the card right up here on a previous video where I go in depth about it. Let's open up Cricut Design Space. We're gonna go to Upload, Upload Image, and click Browse. Then locate your SVG on your computer, and it has 2 different files, one for large bows and one for small. I wanted to make some small bows for gifts. Once you select your SVG, then you can tag and name it so you can find it easier in future projects. And click Upload. Then select your uploaded image and hit Add to Canvas. Now that it's uploaded, I always like to duplicate the SVG and hide it just in case I make any mistakes in my project. Now with the duplicated group, I'm actually going to ungroup it and rearrange it just so it's easier for me to understand. I like everything horizontal. To organize it a little bit better, I'm putting all the top part of the bows in one section and putting all the bottom parts in another. And just to make it easier, I just group them together so I can duplicate it easier. I'm arranging it so I have a group of 3 single bows, 3 double bows, and then 3 4-looped bows. Now that I customized my SVG for the cardstock that I want to use, then I'm just gonna go to make it. Some of the cardstock I have is 12 by 12, but some of them are also 8 by 11. So you just wanna make sure that you have the correct material size for the mat and that the layout is proper. And with each cut, make sure you have the correct material, because I'm using cardstock, glitter cardstock, and adhesive foil. 3 different cut settings for this project. When applying your paper to the light grip mat, I just use a brayer to make everything flat. Then you load it right into your machine and see it cut away. When weeding your paper, you can flip it upside down and peel the mat back, or just leave it flat and use your weeding tools. When you're working with paper that has a specific pattern, just make sure you line it correctly so it will cut out how you wish it to be. For the glitter cardstock, I put some tracing paper down to keep my brayer clean when I rolled over it. And after I was done with the glitter paper, I just used some packing tape to clean up my mat. I use this king size Sharpie here to help me bend the glitter cardstock because it is a little bit thicker. And if I tried to bend it with my hands, it was kind of creasing and it just really was not giving me the look that I wanted. So the marker helped quite a bit. And then you just put a dab of hot glue on the ends, and press and hold. And then with the bottom part, you're just going to wrap that little piece around both sections, put a dab of hot glue and press it together, and then a dab of hot glue for the back. For the double bows, you're going to do the same thing. With the regular light cardstock, it's super easy to fold, so you don't have to worry about using the marker. And then just stack the 2 bows together with a dab of hot glue in between, and then add the back part of the bow with another dab of hot glue. Now doing the 4-looped bow, you're going to fold one side over and then fold the other side, putting a dab of glue in the corners and pressing and holding, and then just use a dab for the back piece and just wrap it all the way around. For the bottom bow, you're just going to put a dab for the long tails, press and hold, and here I just used adhesive gold foil and wrapped it all the way around. And here is the finished product, 9 different bows with this free SVG template. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see another Christmas craft, you can click the card right up here, or click here to see the entire Christmas series. And I will see you guys next week.